Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The effectiveness of online math for all YouTube channel on student DSAT math score improvement is being studied. The psychometrician selected 152 students for the study. The students were obtained from two randomly selected schools of 76 students each. The students from one school received access to many online math for all videos, while the students from the second school did not use online math for all videos. They were encouraged to seek other sources. How should the experiment be changed to allow the researcher to conclude whether online math for all videos have an effect on DSAT math score improvement? Okay, here we have a sample of 152 students. These 152 students are selected at random from two schools of 76 students each. Okay, now let me write this stuff over here. From the first school, 76 students are selected. From the second school, let me write the stuff over here. From the second school also, the same number of students, that is 76 students are selected. When we add them, we get the total, that is 152 students. Okay, now let's go this information. The students from one school received access to many online math for all videos, while the students from the second school did not use online math for all videos. They were encouraged to seek other sources. Okay, here let's say the students from the first school, that is these 76 students received access to many online math for all videos. And the students from the second school, these 76 students did not use online math for all videos. They were encouraged to seek other sources. Okay, we know that there are 152 students in sample. So in which 50% of the students, that is 76 students received to access online math for all videos, and the remaining 50%, that is the remaining 76 students did not use online math for all videos. Actually, we have two sources for DSAT math preparation. One is online math for all YouTube channel, and other source is unnamed. It's called other sources in the given information. Okay, here when I consider this 152 students and to study the effectiveness of online math for all YouTube channel for DSAT math preparation, so one source has to be given for 50% of the students, the other source should be given for the remaining 50%. But when I give access to online math for all videos for 50% for 152, all the 50% of the students should not be from the same school. But according to this information, so all the 50% of the students of this 152 are from the same school, that is from the first school. So this is not the proper way of doing. Then what is the proper way of doing? So, but our aim is to select 50% of the students to access online math for all videos, and the remaining 50% will be given access to other sources. Okay, so for that what we have to do is, let's consider 76 students from the first school. In this 76 students, what we have to do is we have to take 50% of the students, that is 38 students. So these 38 students should be given access to online math for all videos. The remaining 50%, that is the remaining 38 students, should be given access to other sources. The same thing we have to do for the 76 students at the second school. That is 38, that is a 50%. 38 of these 76 students should be given access to online math for all videos, and the remaining 38 students should be given access to other sources. So this is a proper way of doing the experiment to study the effectiveness of online math for all YouTube channel on preparing for DSAT math. Okay, here when I go over this information, so definitely we have to make some changes in this method that has been explained over here. So since we have to make some changes in the experiment to be done, so we can reject answer choice D, because answer choice D says no changes to the experiment are needed, but it's clearly known that some changes have to be made in the given experiment which has been explained over here. Okay, now let's go to the answer choice A. That is all 152 students should receive access to online math for all videos. So as I said earlier, we have two sources of material to get prepared for DSAT math. So here when we have two sources, one source has to be given for 50% of these 152 students, and for the remaining 50% the other source has to be given. But the answer choice A says only one source, that is online math for all videos, should be given for all the 152 students in sample. That's not correct. We can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let's go to answer choice B. One of the schools should study without a calculator. Actually, it's out of the scope of our discussion, because in DSAT, in all the math sections, calculator is allowed. So, but this one says one of the schools is to study without a calculator. Without a calculator, it's out of the scope of the discussion what we are doing over here on DSAT math preparation. So we can reject answer choice B as well. Okay, now let's go to answer choice C. Half of the students from each school should be randomly assigned to each study plan. So the stuff what we have discussed over here, that is when I consider the first school with 76 students, half of these 76 students are given access to online math for our videos, and the remaining of these 38 students are given access to the other source. The same thing I have done for the second school with 76 students. This is exactly explained over here. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.